Interrupted with the NVIDIA DLL blocking NVIDIA GeForce Experience workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start the walkthrough for NVIDIA, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the NVIDIA version 29, a version-specific NVIDIA Installer module. It provides the unmanaged routines for verifying system compatibility and orchestrating the data link for GPU-accelerated software manifests. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. NVIDIA 229 is required for NVIDIA GeForce Experience to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of NVIDIA GeForce Experience will repair missing or broken application files. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with NVIDIA. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since the reboot didn't fix the graphics glitch, we need to perform a clean handshake between your driver and the OS, so you should use Display Driver Uninstaller to purge your current GPU software. After the cleanup is finished, download the newest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD to ensure that your DLL file is properly integrated into the graphics stack. Why are we doing this? Well, standard updates often fail to clear deep-level registry conflicts, and this deep clean removes those barriers to allow for a successful file sync. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. A quick warning: many sites offering NVIDIA DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If you're addressing NVIDIA inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. If you've regained access to NVIDIA thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.